Okay, I'm out this morning. I'm doing a precision landing test. As you can see there in front, I have the drone on the landing pad. I'm going to take off. I am going to let the drone hover there for a few moments. So I've tilted the gimbal down and you can see the shadow or icon of that drone just above the landing pad. Uh, there's almost no wind out here, so that should not be a factor in it coming back to this location. So, well, there is a slight wind. I can see it in the grass below. So I'm going to take it out in that direction for about 30 seconds or so and then bring it right back with a return to home. So here we go, going straight up. Beautiful day. 200 feet is good enough, so I'm going to take it straight out. I'm in the normal mode. Just take it out about 1,000 feet or so, and then I'll generate a return to home. Okay, I'm doing a return to home now. As you can see, that's me below. I can hear the drone, it's directly above me. Let's see how far it will land from that landing pad. That was spot on. I have to admit, that was spot on. So the precision test worked out very well. So I'm very happy with that. Until the next video, you guys take care.